And that's effectively, our hello world, hello waffles. Maybe we should rename that. And it's not that difficult for us to go in and rename that. So we can go back to the 2D view, and let's adjust the text. Hello waffles. Just kind of eyeballing the settings. Those all look good. Hello waffles. Make sure it's centered. Should be, but just to be safe. Oh, it was off a little bit. Hello waffles. Probably because it's a little bit longer, so it filled out more of that curve. And this is where our recalculate will come in handy, because we made changes to lots of stuff. Positioning and text and all that stuff, and it recalculated all of it. And then if we go in here to, you notice it still says hello world. You can kind of see the overlay of the new toolpath that's going to be there. You can remove that and add it back in. So we're going to reset the preview, and then we're going to preview all toolpaths. And you can see it's basically carving all that. It's swapped out that text for the new letters. I'm just kind of letting this run and speed it up a little bit. And then we've got hello waffles.